Of course, we have here Juna. For the last two JFE, I know guitar yung tinututok ni Juna, but tonight, she will be playing drums. How about that? Okay. So, Ekay, do you want to say something?
Wala. Gusto ko ulit marinig yung batchmates ko.
Okay guys, just let me know if you're ready, okay?
Tapos, thank you po sa lahat ng pumunta.
Okay, class 2010, sino man cheer dyan? Yung malakas! Just so you know, 77 lang ang batch 2010. Pero, ang ingay nila. Lakasin nila sila. Okay, so Ekay, I will be asking you the same question. How did you choose the songs?
Wala na. Pinag-isipan din namin na mabuti yung line-up namin. Yun, nag-suggest, tapos nag-come up kami with, yun nga, yung line-up namin yun. Tapos, ay, gusto ko pala batiin yung lola ko, tsaka yung si Papa, tatay ko. Tsaka si
Okay, and for batch 2010, we have someone playing flute and saxophone. Okay, get even with that. I heard yung ibang batch walang ganun. Batch 2010 lang, right?